Today we're pouring 75 tonnes of concrete on a suspended formwork deck on the water here in Birchgrove. Now what's special about this slab is that it's an off-form finish underneath. That means the ceiling underneath is going to be bare concrete. There's nowhere to hide. There's no finishing trade to come through and cover up your mistakes, so there can't be any. These looped grey pipes are for the underfloor heating. And the way that works is it's a hydronic system, which means water passes through these pipes and then through collectors, solar collectors on the roof. So the sun's energy is heating up the concrete slab and warming the room. So this entire house has no air conditioning except for the top bedroom. It's all heated by these pipes, which means that the energy costs are far lower than air conditioning. You can have your doors and windows open while you're heating the house because it's not reliant on hot air. And rather than having hot air blowing around your face, you've got this nice radiant, bone-warming heat coming from the floor, and it keeps your feet warm and your head can stay cool. It's always nice to have a cool head, as you will know.
My name's Alex Brissett from Fafaloo Construction Group. We carry out formwork, concrete and steel fixing works, and we've carried out all those works on this job. So as a site manager here, and this particular job requires a high degree of finishing. All the concrete works are exposed works, which means there's no finishes going on top of them, so they have to be of the very best quality. To get that quality, it's certainly teamwork. It's not just us carrying out the work to high quality, but also the builder, and in this case Si has ensured that the plywood, the steel works, and even today on the concrete day, that everything is done to perfection.
I've worked for Steele Associates for 6 years and I'm a site manager, and my role entails looking after and coordinating the site from day to day and making sure everything is finished on time. My favourite thing working with Steele Associates is that there's a lot of good workmates that you work with. I do work quite a bit, and with 2 little kids I don't get much time to myself.
I manage the project to get it completed on budget and on time. My favourite thing about working with Steele Associates is the people that I get to work with and the various projects that I get to do. And there's also an environmental side to a lot of the projects we do that is innovative and new to the market.
Hi, how are you going? I'm Tom Henniker. New to Steele Associates, only been here for, it's be going on my 3rd week now, but looking forward to a future within the company. At the moment I'm actually doing some cleaning up downstairs. There's not much work for me to do at the moment with all the concreters. We're walking into the garage right now, and yeah, obviously you can tell with all the noise with the concrete happening above that yeah, there's a fairly big emphasis on the flooring. So pretty well what happens is once the concrete's poured and set, all of this will come away, and yeah, the whole space will be open.
We made a decision a couple of years ago to only use recycled concrete. There's a few suppliers who are doing it now. There's various grades. We use the maximum recycled content for all the concrete that we pour. And so about 60% of the material of the concrete we poured today is recycled.